Hello, and welcome back to Top 10 Quests. Today, we're counting down the top 10 deadliest animals in the world. These creatures are not only fascinating but also hold the title for being the most lethal to humans. So, let's get started. Number 10. Cape Buffalo. According to National Geographic, this African native is responsible for killing more hunters on the continent than any other creature. They're extremely protective of their herd and will charge at anything they perceive as a threat. According to a 2021 report by National Geographic, they kill around 200 people every year. Number 9. Cone snail? As per Life Science, one drop of venom from this little critter is powerful enough to end 20 human lives. According to 2021 data from Life Science, they might be small, but they're incredibly deadly, with their venom being 1,000 times more potent than morphine. Number 8. Golden poison dart frog. According to BBC, this tiny frog carries enough venom to kill 10 grown men. Indigenous tribes in Colombia have used its powerful venom for centuries to tip their blowgun darts when hunting. Just 2 micrograms of their venom is enough to kill a human. Number 7. Box jellyfish. Known as the world's most venomous marine creature, a sting from a box jellyfish can cause heart failure, and death can occur within minutes, as reported by CBS News. In fact, they cause more deaths in Australia than snakes, sharks, and saltwater crocodiles combined. Number 6. African elephant. As per World Atlas, they're the largest land animals on Earth and are responsible for more deaths in Africa than any other large animal. According to 2023 BBC report, they cause about 500 deaths annually. Number 5. Saltwater crocodile. According to Outside Online, they're the largest living reptiles on Earth and are excellent swimmers. If they feel threatened or are looking for food, they won't hesitate to attack. They are responsible for about 1,000 deaths each year. Number 4. African hippopotamus. As per Popular Mechanics, they're the most dangerous large land animal in Africa, killing an estimated 500 people per year. According to a 2023 report by National Geographic, they can run at speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour and their jaws can crush bones. Number 3. Asian cobra. While they might not be the most venomous snakes, according to Mental Floss, their aggressive nature and the frequency of human interaction put them high on the list. They cause around 50,000 deaths annually. Number 2. Mosquito. As per Conservation Institute, they're the smallest on our list, but they're the deadliest creatures on Earth. They're responsible for spreading diseases like malaria, dengue, and Zika, killing millions of people each year. A 2023 WHO report states that dengue alone infects 100 to 400 million people each year. Number 1. Humans. According to Business Insider, no other species has caused more destruction or killed more members of its own species than humans. We are responsible for countless deaths due to wars, environmental destruction, and other human-induced factors. That concludes our countdown of the top 10 deadliest animals in the world. Remember, while these animals are dangerous, it's important to respect all wildlife and maintain a safe distance. Don't forget to like, share, comment and follow for more fascinating videos. Thanks for watching. Please find references in the description.